Okay, see if you guys can draw a Venn diagram to represent this situation. We've got a packet of playing cards. We're going to pick out one card at random. What is the probability that this card here will be a red and an even card and a number card? Okay, so if you look at this packet of cards here, a red card. So it has to be a red. Sorry, hang on. It has to be a red card. So it could be any of these. It has to be even. So red and even. So all even. We're going to define even as 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So we're not going to. A king is not an even. A queen is not an even. It's it's just the way I've defined it as this. Okay. So even I'm going to say even or 2, 4, 6, blah 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 blah. So all these are even here. Okay. So, and it has to be a number card. So a number card would be all these here. These are not. These are picture cards. These are not. Well, anyway, if you think about it, well, you want to pick out a card where it's red and even and a number. Well, it just boils down to these here. Okay, so now that you know the answer, but I want you to be able to draw the Venn diagram to represent it. So the answer to this question here would be, hang on, a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So any of these 10 cards here will satisfy our initial condition here. So the answer to this would be 10 over 52. Okay, because if you pick out this card here, it's a red card, it's an even card, and it's a number card. If you pick out, let's say this one here, it's a red card, but it's not an even card, but it is a number card. But here we want and, so and has to be all three conditions needs to be satisfied. Okay, but if you pick out the 7 of diamonds, it's a red card, yes, but it's not an even card, but it is a number card. Well, you've got a cross here, so a 7 doesn't count. Whereas if you pick out a 10 of hearts, yes, it's a red, yes, it's an even, yes, it's a number. Well, anyway, so draw the Venn diagram to represent this. So your Venn diagram will look something like this. This is the whole population here. You've got let's say this represents a red, this represents the even, and then you've got this here represents the number card, the number cards. So here, if you this is our answer here, this segment. We said it was 10, okay, because red and even and a number card. So this segment is here is 10. If you look at this here, you want this bit here will represent a number card, but not an even and not a red. Well, anyway, do what you have to do. Draw the Venn diagram to represent this whole situation here. So you've got three events: red, even, and number. So remember, your Venn diagram will look something similar to this. Okay, remember that there are also cards out here that are not red, not even, and not number. Well, anyway, draw your Venn diagram. Press pause and have a go. Okay, so let's try and do this. Hang on. So this is our packet of cards. Let's draw a whole population here. So this one will be our first event. This one will be red. Okay. This one here will be even, and this last one here will be number. Okay. Now, well, let's have a look at this. Hang on. We've worked it out from earlier. Red and even and a number card would be a 10. Okay. Now let's look at this here. Let's look at the red. Okay. From this segment here, it will be a red but not even and not a number. So if you're trying to fill in this segment here, anything inside here represents a red, but we want cards that are red but not even, and not number. So if you look at the packet of cards here, red, so red here will represent everything here, okay, everything here. But we don't want an even, and we don't want a number. Well, basically it's going to be sorry. Oh no. Hang on, I accidentally pressed something. Bear with me. Screen. Okay, sorry. Hang on. Bear with me. I pressed something. Okay, hang on. Okay, sorry about that. Okay, let's carry on. Sorry. So here we want a red card. So remember, we are trying to fill in this segment here. We want a red card, but not even and not number. Well, it just boils down to six. These six here, because not even. Well, these six cards are not even. But they are red. So this here should be a 6. Okay. If you try to select, let's say this one here, it's a red card, but it falls into a number. It's a number card. So well, in this segment here, you want red, but not even and not a number card. Okay. Now let's look at this segment here now. This one here. So you want a number card, but not red and not even. So what number cards are not red and not even? So it has to be, hang on, not red and not even. So all these here are not red, and not even would be 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay, these are picture cards. These are not number cards, because, well, anyway, 2, 4, 6, 10. So this here will be a 10, because these are number cards, and they're not red and they're not even. Okay, let's try to tackle this one here. Even, we want even, but not a number card and not red. So, well, wait there, even. If you look at even here, sorry, all these even ones here. They're even here, 4, 6, but all of these fall into a number. Well, if you look at number would be all these here, and we want even but not a number. Well, it's got to be 0 here, because there's no card that's an even but not a number card. Okay. Yeah. If you're getting lost, press pause and try and think about it. So now in this segment here, we want an even card, but not a number card, and not. Sorry, in this segment here, we want an even card and a red card, but not a number card. Well, it turns out that it's going to be 0 here, because you trying to pick out an even card when it's not a number card. That's not possible. So it's going to be a 0. Again, if you don't understand that, press pause, look at this picture here, and try and understand why. Okay, and then if you look at this segment here, you want an even card and a number card, but not a red. Okay, so even card, well, even, so it's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay, so this segment here will be 10. And then this segment here, you want a number card and a red card, but not an even card. Okay, so this segment here, we want number and red, but not even. So think about it: number and red, but not even. So it's going to be 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So this segment will be 10. Okay, and then if you look at this segment here, not red, not even, and not a number card. Not red, not even, and not a number card. So that can only be these 6. Okay, so this here will be a 6. Now this is your complete Venn diagram. Now, just to double check, make sure all the whole population adds up to 52. So let's say we've got 4 tens in here, 4 tens. So that will be 40. Okay, and then we've got a 6 here and a 6 over here on the red. So that will be 12. So this comes to 52. There, 52 cards in the whole, well, the whole population is 52. Okay, so once you've got this diagram, you can start to answer other interesting questions as well, like what is the probability of me picking a red and an even, okay, and an even. So red. So if you look at this here, red here and an even. So it's going to be it's going to be this bit here. Well, 0 here, 10 here. Well, anyway, you can answer better questions once you've got your Venn diagram. Okay.